First things first, plug your camera into a PoE switch. Most switches will light up with an orange LED showing that the device is getting a PoE from that switch. So once the camera is fully powered up, you'll be able to see the camera saying inactive as shown here in SADP. I'll put the video in the description below on how to download SADP, but that's the HiLook camera there. Now look, you can put the password in here, but this video is about activating it through the web GUI, because you're going to go through the web GUI anyway to make some certain changes, so you might as well just do it there. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into it, so you're going to have to make sure that your computer is in the right range. We're already there, cool. Okay, cool, so following the instructions there, 8 16 characters, use a combination of numbers, lowercase, so secure password as always. It's highly recommended for every device that you have in general. So I'm just going to go ahead and okay, it likes that one, which is cool. Let's confirm it. Awesome. Now we're going to activate it. Now you can go through and choose a couple of questions here. Obviously making sure that you're going to remember those, the answers to the questions, right? So what's your father's name? And go ahead and put it in. But personally, I don't do any of these, but I do at least set an email, right? So what I'm going to do here is put the email in. And that's done. All right, so we're going to go okay. All right, cool. So at this point here, if you know what IP address that you want to make the camera there, you can go ahead and put it in. So just for example, I'll just change it to a random IP address. If you want to be a DHCP for whatever reason, obviously click that one there, and then your router or network in general will give the IP address automatically. I'm going to go ahead and press next. And look, at the end of the day, it wants to restart the device, so I'm actually not going to change it at this point. So yeah, just double checking the recovery email and your security questions, so you can just do that again if you need to. So for some reason it didn't go in, so I'm just going to put it in again. Okay, cool. Now what we're going to do is go along. Oh, right. Okay, cool. So that's changing it. So there's actually no need to do that bit there then. All right. So we're going to skip that. There's the camera there. You can play around with the lighting and stuff like that if you want to. Yeah, it's entirely up to what environment that you got the camera in, as to whether or not you need to do this. I'm going to go along. Resolution. Look, personally, I do drop the resolution. It doesn't need to be at its full peak. Most people don't do this. Some people do. You don't have to do this. It's just what I like to do. It also saves recording space as well. But look, it's entirely up to you, really. You can play around with that and see what works best for your scenario. Put the camera name in here. All right, so I'm just gonna go test camera. Cool, happy days. Alrighty, and overlay. That's for something a little bit separate. I won't show in this video. But yeah, the main thing is at least change the camera name there, so it doesn't just simply say camera 1. And we're going to go along and obviously change your time and date. You can be lazy and just do a manual time sync to the computer, or you can put an NTP in. I would suggest putting the NTP in, because in that way the camera will always automatically update with the time server, and then that way you know it'll be correct. You can do it manually, just make sure you keep an eye on the time, as that is a crucial thing to have correct, especially when you're handing over footage, if you need to do so. Righty, and the next one is going to be platform access. Yeah, cool. So you can set this up. Personally, I like to use Hit Connect. If the camera is set up correctly in the network settings and you put a verification code in, then it should come online. I'm just going to go... It shouldn't come online because it's not actually set up correctly on my network. No, it's not yet, but that there would say online if the network settings were set up. And then that's it. You're done. Simple as that. I hope that helped. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll have related videos in the description below. Other than that, that's a wrap. Keep it simple.